Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel refund on TikTok shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok shop, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that you can grow your business with TikTok shop. With TikTok shop, you can tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into fantastic purchases. So now that we know a bit of what TikTok is about, let's quickly hop into today's steps, which is how to cancel refund on TikTok shop. So let's say a customer clicked on your product via TikTok shop and placed an order and requested a refund. Here is how you can cancel that refund if you don't want to accept it. From your homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include homepage, others, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, growth center, analytics, account health, and finance. Click on others and you're going to have this extended menu under others that says manage others, manage returns, shipping settings, fulfillment settings fulfilled by TikTok. So go ahead and click on manage returns. So you have this manage returns and refunds, says all. So you're going to see if you have a refund request, you're going to find the refund request under here. You're going to find it all under all. You're going to find it under awaiting action, completed or disputed. So these responded refunds or refund requests responded within 24 hours, awaiting return request approval, and all of this. So like I said, you're definitely going to find your refund request under these tabs. So once you find the refund request, you're going to see the actions section that allows you to cancel the refund request. So right next to any refund request that you see, you're going to see an option, extended option that you can click on and cancel. So you can see once you click on the standard options, you're going to find that's the three dots menu, or the edit option, depending on where you find. As you click on that, you're going to find the cancel option. So click on cancel and you'll be able to cancel the refund request if you don't want to accept it. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.